Capcut free editing course.
This video is for video editing beginners. In this video, we'll share some Capcut editing features to you. Number 1. Importing. Open Capcut in your phone. Tap on New Project. Select videos or photos you want to edit. Tap Add. Here your videos are imported in Capcut. Number 2. Aspects ratio. This will help you to convert a horizontal video to vertical or vertical to horizontal. Tap Aspect ratio. Choose any screen size you want. Here you can see the horizontal video is now in vertical. You can also fit horizontal video in screen by zooming in with 2 fingers. As you can see. Or you can also change the background of horizontal video in vertical. Tap on Background. Here I choose Blur Effect. You can also choose color or even a picture from gallery. As you can see, the results. Number 3. Trim and Split.
In Trim and Split you can remove a certain part of a video or make short in size. Tap on Video. Now drag from a side. As you can see, the video clip is short now. To split, tap on Video to move it to remove a part of video. Now tap Split and then delete it. As you can see, the split part is deleted now. Number 4. And Music. Tap on Audio. Tap Sounds. Here you get unlimited sounds also from TikTok. You can also extract a video sound from your gallery. Tap Extract. Select any video with a sound. Extract it. As you can see, sound is added now. You can also mute your clip. Tap volume and slow it down. As you can hear the music. Number 5. Stickers. Tap here. Here you can get uncountable free stickers. For example, this subscribe button. Adjust it in your video. You can also use animation effects. Tap here on Animation. Here you can see in, out, and loop animation on stickers. Add any of this you want. As you can see, Number 6. Add multicolor text. Tap Text. Add text. Now select that text you want to change color. Now tap Styles. Choose any color you want to apply on selected text. As you can see results. Adjust that text on the full video. You can add animation for in, out, and loop. Tap on animation.
Apply any of this animation you want. As you can see, many of this animation. Choose any of these. Here you can see multiple colors text is added. Number 7, stabilization. As you can see, the video is not stable. To stable it, tap on video. Tap stabilize. Set it on most stable. Here, you can see the video is stabilized. Number 8, color grading. Before color grading, tap adjust. Apply the setting according to video's lighting. Detailed video on color grading is uploaded on channel. Here you can see the results. Number 9, 3-layer screen. Tap on effects. Tap video effects. Tap split. Tap on 3 screen. Here your video is in 3 layers. Number 10, background blur. Make a duplicate of added video. Now a duplicated video into overlay. Adjust it on the added video. Now remove overlay background. Tap remove BG. Tap auto removal. Wait for background. Remove. Now, tap effects. Tap video effects. Choose lens. Choose blur effect. Adjust it to 10 for good results. Here you can see the background is blurred. Number 11, export video. Tap here. Adjust frame rate to 60. Code rate high. Tap here. Wait until 100%. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.